Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss another feature called text blocks. Okay, text blocks is the standard feature in Java 15 onwards. What is the use of text block? Have a look, guys. Text block is a multi-line string literal means like if you want to write some HTML data, if you want to write some XML data or JSON data, we are using /n escape characters. We can avoid those escape characters using the text blocks concept here, guys. We can avoid for the most escape sequences. It will automatically format your string as per your expectation. Basically it gives a developer control over the format. Whichever format you want, you can display your data without using /n/ escape characters. Okay, how you can print, okay, how you can define the text block. We have a rules, however you want, you cannot define at all. The text block begins with three double quote characters, three double quotes, guys, starting and ending. Okay, whenever you are defining the text block, these three double quotes followed by a new line here means you should not keep into a single line, you should keep into a two lines. The first line should be three triple quotes and the second line followed by our content and ending with three triple quotes here. This is the valid syntax. If you try to write in a single line, you will get compile time exception. Have a look, I will show you couple of examples so that you will get a better idea on this specific topic here. Okay, now have a look here. Now let me create, what I will do, let me copy the existing project. It is a 17. Okay, what I will do here, text blocks, it is a Java 15 feature. Okay, let me copy. Okay, and let me delete the old examples. Let me create a fresh class. Okay, text blocks demo. Okay, have a look. Multiple ways I'm going to explain this topic. Have a see. Now I want to write some data. First I want to write some data. Okay, Java Express Academy. Okay, just simply I'm writing and I want to print this data in the console str. Okay, now you will never see any difference, just it will try to print your data. Now how to represent your data? See here, s1 equal to, starting with triple quotes, enter, and this is the way, and you can remove the semicolon. Here you should write your data, Java Express Academy. This is the format. The same thing I want to write in another approach. Have a look here, string s2. Okay, these three things you can add it to here. This is also a valid here. Okay, now you should not write like this, guys. See here, string s3 equals to triple quotes, and here lot of people doing a mistake like this. This is a invalid Java Express Academy. It is a compile time. Either you can write in the middle in the new line or followed by these three double quotes. So this is a compile time exception you will get. Now here you can ask another question. Here we have a s1 and s2. If you try to write your equals method, whether it is a valid or not, have a look. S1 and S2 I am verifying. Okay, and system.out.println str dot equals of s1. Okay, and system.out.println all the combinations I'm showing, even this equals method, how it is behaving, whether it is the same or it will be different. If you return any approach, every string, see, false, false. Why? Because okay, here we have why we are getting the false. Equals method we should check, and double equals method also we need to check. Why I'm getting s1 and s2 both are different? Why? Because here you return and then here three triple quotes will happen here. And if you observe here, string str Java Express Academy, and if you verifying str dot equals of s1, See what happened, false. But if you check in yes to, it is true. This one and this one is true. Why? Because you written in a second line same followed by three double quotes, but here you written in the second line a new line happened, so that's why remaining two use cases are false. Only one case is possible. This is the case. This is the point you need to understand, guys. Suppose whenever you are writing a string, you want to display some double quotes or triple quotes. If you want to write, how to write? See here. Now string s4 equals to triple quotes, enter. Okay, and here I'm semicolon. Here I want to write, see here, um, single quotes. I need Java Express Academy in the single quotes. Then I want to use a online training. This is a double quotes. I want to write in a triple quotes Hyderabad location. See here, everything is valid here. Whenever you are writing triple quotes one more time, you should use escape characters slash, guys. Okay, escape characters you should write as a slash. Then it is a valid. Now, if you try to print this data, see here how it is displaying. Yes, previously if you want to write, you should use escape characters to display. Now here, see here, single quotes, double quotes. See, single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. Only when you are writing triple quotes, you should use a slash inside a string if you want to print your real data here. Clear? Now, another point I want to explain. Have a look here. What I will do? Yes, let me copy everything. Yes, 5 string. Multiple cases I'm explaining to you guys. Okay, please. Now, um, online training. Let me remove double quotes here. Everything just I am removing, guys. Here, if you try to print your SY, observe carefully. Run as Java application. How it is printing? It is printing first line, second line, third line is printing. But where in case I want to display side by side, like Java, these three lines should be in the single line. How you can write? Hope you got the point. Okay, now see here. To write, see here what I am doing. Okay, this is how it printed three lines. I want to display in a single line. Now to make sure that part, what I will do, s6, let me create another string s6. Here just try to follow slash. I am applying this slash here. Just observe here, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Now what happened? Single line it is displaying. But if you observe here, Java Express Academy online training, there is no space. Training and Hyderabad, there is no space. Then how you can avoid? I want to again apply some spaces. I want to apply some spaces. See here how I will write. Let me write another string. Yes, 7. Yes, 7. Now just you can apply yes means space. That is the, I want to apply new spaces. Please make sure ending with slash. Again, slashes, slashes, slash. That means two spaces. Now right click, run as Java application. Now, if you observe here, that is a difference. Java Express Academy, two spaces, online training, two spaces, Hyderabad. If you need a single space, yes, please go ahead and remove one. Only one space is required to you. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. See, now it is a clear, right? These many ways we can define a test block. Yeah, maybe we last one. Let me show you another way. JSON, just you want to write a JSON data. In the real time, definitely we will use this concept like to see here. I want to write some ID1 comma. I want to write a name. Okay, suppose Bhaskar, then comma, and suppose age, suppose some 55, just random image I'm giving. System.out.println. Yes, it just I'm printing my data. See, now this is a JSON data here. However, data you given as it is, the data will be displayed on the console. See here. See, whole data is displayed. Even you can write HTML, XML, whichever you want that format. The same thing if you want to write in normal string, multiple slash and slash and slash and plus slash and lot of escape sequences you need to write. So completely we can avoid in the text block here. If you have any questions, please leave your comments and like our session, guys. Thank you then.